Hi, this is Chris Moyer. Uh, I wanted to I wrote a paper about natural law and how it points to the need for an intelligent designer. And I've written this paper and I'm going to read it for you today. For everyone on YouTube that wants to listen. This is why the existence of natural law necessitates the existence of an exterior, intelligent cause. Law. It governs everything in the known universe, from elementary particles to light and energy, even to human conduct and behavior. For many years, the majority of scientists have believed the laws of nature came into existence at the moment of the Big Bang. At the same time, all the matter, energy, space, and time came into existence. The majority of materialist scientists today envision that the laws of nature came about by chance. Indeed, many today would assert that given the vast number of hypothetical multiverses that must exist, it is almost certain that one of those universes would possess exactly the right qualities to support life, even human life. When scientists assert that natural laws came about by chance, they are essentially imagining the universe to be determined by some kind of enormous roulette wheel. There are many variables in play. Suppose there are other universes where the boiling point of water is higher, or the speed of light is slower. We'll never know if such universes exist, but we can be certain of one thing. The chance of those universes supporting life is exceedingly small. But the problem is even greater. If law governs the behavior of particles, and the nature of law is constantly changing with other random universes being created, then law is at its very core chaotic and irregular. Other universes could have different natural laws than ours, and we were just lucky enough to hit the cosmic jackpot of a finely tuned universe capable of supporting life. If law is chaotic at its core, then it would be uniformly chaotic. Chaos would reign in every universe subject to natural law. There is no reason to think a universe of indescribable order, uniformity, and beauty could arise out of an infinite plethora of unstable, chaotic universes. You can't use natural law to explain countless dysfunctional universes, then use that same natural law to explain the functionality, order, and uniformity of our own, unless you change the definition of law. Law produces order, not chaos. If constants could change from universe to universe, why not galaxy to galaxy? Just think about the boiling point of water. Or just think about this. The boiling point of water will remain the same even if you were to traverse 100 million light years away in a far-off galaxy. The beauty of law is its uniformity. The speed of light will remain the same wherever you travel in our universe. Can you imagine another universe where light was much slower? I'm sure I could. However, the universe most certainly would not be able to sustain life. I do not believe the multiverse theory stands the test of scrutiny. Law is either uniformly ordered or uniformly chaotic, but it can't be both. Imagine a universe where chaos reigned and everything was random. Water would sometimes freeze or turn into water vapor without any increase or decrease of temperature. Light would slow or even stop completely in its tracks. Laws are constant and don't change. This is what makes science possible and the universe intimately knowable. If laws could vary from one universe to another hypothetical universe, it would mean that laws are not constant. But we know from empirical evidence in our own universe that laws are constant. And if they are constant here, they ought to be constant everywhere where natural law reigns. So it is clear that natural laws, in order to be considered laws, must be uniformly present in any hypothetical universe versus that exist outside of our own. Now, if natural law cannot be explained through random chance and the universal roulette wheel theory, how do we explain its existence? Why do planets revolve around suns? Why does the moon affect the oceans? How do clouds hold water? All the natural laws that govern the universe were not created by the universe. They existed prior to the universe. to matter, energy, space, and time. The matter and energy did not somehow create their physical properties. These were determined by laws. Without laws, the matter, energy, and space wouldn't know how to behave. Without a law telling light how fast to travel, light would be all over the place in terms of its speed. Without a law determining the properties of water, water wouldn't know when to freeze, when to boil, and when to steam. The universe without laws would be like matter without properties. But allow me to look at the word law a little closer, and I'll do this by reference to human laws. Obviously, human laws are meant to be followed, or else they wouldn't be there. Law is most often handed down or passed down by a person or group of people in authority. Hence, we can say truthfully that laws are given by lawgivers, and they are intended to minimize harm and to protect individuals and groups that follow the laws. As the laws that humans pass to govern human conduct are created by authority, so too the laws which govern the behavior of the cosmos were created by an authority. Are laws ever created by chance? Humanly speaking, of course not. For example, perhaps a stretch of highway was in debate by some politicians over what the speed limit should be. Imagine one sly guy in a suit suggesting they roll 2 dice together to determine the speed limit. Of course, this would be patently ridiculous, as there is a small, though not entirely unlikely chance that 2 ones would be rolled, making for a sluggish 11 miles per hour. Easy way to cause an accident, as most drivers would speed right through, ignoring the sign. So chance would be a really bad way to make human laws. Why do we think the universe is so much different in its lawmaking than we are in ours? Why should we put our faith in chance or law-like necessity when it comes to explaining the existence of natural law? Human laws spring up after deliberation and careful consideration. Why should natural laws require anything less, especially when our existence is at stake? There is definitely something outside of nature that determines the laws for nature to behave. Just because we can't see that cause doesn't mean it's not there. Laws exist prior to their application in only one known cause: intelligent human minds. Therefore, the laws that govern the universe must have existed prior to and external to the universe, mainly in an intelligent divine mind. Hence, the very existence of orderly, natural law necessitates the existence of an exterior, intelligent cause, namely God. So that's my paper on natural law, and I hope you liked it. And if you have any opinions, feel free to write below or post a video response to this. Thanks, and have a great day.